Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Mont-Saint-Michel is a picturesque town, located in the Laurentide region of Quebec. It is surrounded by lush forests, rolling hills, and sparkling rivers. It's about 300 kilometers north of Montreal, making it a peaceful escape from the busy city life. The town is nestled near the Rivière du Livre, or Hare River, which flows through the area and adds to the serene atmosphere. It's a great place for outdoor activities like fishing, kayaking, and even snowmobiling in winter. The town was named after Saint Michael, the Archangel, and it reflects the strong cultural and religious heritage of the area. Early settlers in this region were mostly French Canadians, who made their living through farming, forestry, and small trades. Over time, Mont-Saint-Michel became a hub for logging, as the surrounding forest provided plenty of resources. The river played a key role in transporting logs and goods, connecting the town to other parts of Quebec. Today, Mont-Saint-Michel is a small, close-knit community. It's the perfect place to slow down, enjoy nature, and experience the simple joys of rural Quebec life. The nearby forests are filled with hiking and ATV trails, offering incredible views and chances to spot wildlife. The Rivière du Livre is still a favorite spot for fishing and peaceful riverbank picnics. One of the best things about Mont-Saint-Michel is its untouched beauty. The changing seasons bring stunning scenery, from lush green forests in the summer to colorful leaves in the fall, and snow-covered landscapes in the winter. Thanks for joining us on this virtual visit to Mont-Saint-Michel, Quebec. It's a hidden gem that's full of natural beauty, rich history, and a peaceful way of life.
Thanks for watching!